add WhatsApp button to Shopify. So hello there and welcome back to another video. To do it, you have to visit your Shopify admin dashboard firstly. So you have to wait until the page is loaded. So there we go. Here you can see this option apps. Simply tap onto apps and tap onto all recommended apps. From there, here you can see the Shopify app store. You have to tap onto it. And after tapping onto it, here at the search bar, search for WhatsApp button and then tap enter. So there we go. There are a lot of WhatsApp button available. For example, here you can see this like for now I'm going to tap onto this one's WhatsApp chat by AZ Digital. Okay, let's choose this one. And then you have to tap onto install. Then after tapping onto install, you have to confirm the installation. So let's wait until the page is loaded and then you have to tap onto install. Then there we go. This app has been added to our Shopify store. Now you have to tap onto these options. So let's wait until it is loaded. And here you can see this WhatsApp button option. Simply tap on WhatsApp button and then you have to enter your WhatsApp number over here. And then after choosing it, you have to choose the select size of it, like medium, large, or XL. I'm going to choose onto medium. So from here you can choose the location of WhatsApp widget on the page, whether you want it to left, at the left, or mid upper left, or wherever you want. You just have to choose that up. Then you have to you can and add these questions, like you can add this pre-filled message. This one's optional. You can add it if you wish to, and if you want you can add chat window, or if you don't want then you should not. Then you can just customize all these things. You can choose a button over from here. You just have to choose the button that you wish to add, and then you can just tap on to start your free trial now, and then you're good to go. You'll be able to add your buttons to Shopify store. Then after tapping onto your trial, then you can just simply tap onto the save option over here, and then your button will be added. Then you can just view your store very easily. So this is how you can do it. So if this video was helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care. Goodbye.